Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to plot inset graphs using Origin Pro. Here in this workbook, I have inserted some sample data for plotting purposes. So now let us first plot this information by selecting entire data here and then go to plot. You select here basic 2D plot and here you can click on line graph. You can see line graph is created like this. But when we look at this particular graph, here we cannot make out what is the exact value at 2.4 gigahertz for this particular curve. So in order to find that, we have to zoom this graph. Now let us understand how we can zoom this graph and insert in the same graph itself. Now before inserting the zoomed graph here, let us edit this to look professionally. So to do that, let us give the y-axis here. So it is reflection coefficient. I'll just type here reflection coefficient in dB, and the x-axis is frequency in gigahertz. Now let us minimize this graph by clicking here and right click on this graph, make a duplicate. You can see a copy of this is created. Now in this copied version, let us zoom at the frequency 2.4 here. Okay, so to do that, let us double click here and change the scale from 2.395 to 2.415. This is my horizontal scale I have changed. Similarly, after clicking apply, similarly you just change the vertical scale minus 30 to, you can go with minus 20 dB. So just apply and then click OK. You can see here this portion is now completely zoomed here. Okay, so here you can give the step value as maybe 1 you can give and click OK. See, you can see now a more detailed values are observed here. Now once the zoomed version is prepared as per our requirements, we can just copy this by right clicking here. You can just copy the page and you can just click here and paste it. You can see the zoomed version is appeared here. Okay, so now you can create an arrow here. You can select here and you can just show from here to like this. You can put one arrow, and if you want to highlight that region, you can select here a rectangular tool or a circular tool. I'll just select a circular tool and I'll just draw a circle here. So like this, and for this you can just give the fill as none. Okay, you can click OK. You can see now the graph is ready. So it appears like this. If you want to export it, you can click on file. You can just select export graphs, click on open dialog, and you can save it in PNG format wherever that you want. You can select a path here and you can save it. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.